This is it. That's the number plate.
What?
Don't mind the double chin. Tired. Okay guys, so I'm so tired. I'm in my work car park about to leave and go and pick up Aussie. Now, trying to make this as quick as possible because he's finished work and he's been waiting for me. I'm running a little bit late because I had a farewell lunch with my workmates, which I didn't anticipate before. Some of you guys know that our Holden Cruise was damaged by the hailstorm. And we if you've been following us long enough, it's my old car and it's my very first car, so I've been working on getting him a new car. I just don't want anyone from my work to see me because, you know, they don't know I'm a YouTuber. Someone's coming. Okay, they're gone. Okay, they're gone. I'm about to go and pick Aussie up, and I wanted to do a prank on him first before he gets his new car, and I wanted to prank him and tell him that we got him the car that we didn't actually get, and that car is the... Sorry, these cars are just driving past. I wanted to say that I got him the Raptor. If you guys know what a Raptor is, a Ford Ranger Raptor, or is it a Ford Raptor? I don't know, but it's a car that we did not get, and it's about 70 or 80,000 depending on the model. So I'm just gonna rock up to Ford. I don't know if I'm gonna tell them to get in on it because I don't want them to say like we can't film. So I'm just gonna go with the flow, rock up and be like, I know that we're supposed to have this car, but this is the car we actually got. I'm so nervous, guys. I don't know if I can pull it off. I'm gonna try very hard. But if I fail, I fail. It is what it is. But I'm gonna try because it's been a while and Aussie has not pranked me back, guys. I don't know what his deal is. He really needs to get it together because I'm gonna keep coming with these pranks. Guys, wish me luck. Guys, so I'm here to pick up Aussie now. I'm at the front of his work. Just the background story to not confuse you guys. We were already getting a car. He knows the kind of car that we have gotten. But I really wanted to salvage as much as I can. And I wanted to prank him and pretend that we got a different car. I was supposed to do it a long time ago and it just didn't work out because we've been carpooling. Oh, he's calling me. Hello?
Babe.
Yeah?
Can you meet me on my come this side?
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Just walk here.
Oh yeah, I'll walk.
Yeah. Yeah, so he already knows the kind of car he's actually getting. But my friend, I was like to my friend, oh, I didn't end up pranking him and I can't...
A man who doesn't have long for so little...
I'm listening to my Christian audiobook. Anyways, and I was telling my friend that I couldn't prank him because it was too late and I didn't plan it very well. We were carpooling. It was just too much. So she was like, why don't you just go and stand next to a different car? And I was like, oh my gosh, you freaking genius. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. So I don't know if I'm going to get them involved, and I'm going to a completely different dealership as well. So we'll see how it goes. I'm very, very nervous. I don't know if I can pull it off just because it involves like other people. When it involves other people, I get so nervous because I don't know how it's going to go, and my gut is literally dropping right now. He's getting closer and closer to the car. Guys, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Here he comes, guys. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Hello FM. What's up guys, for Georgie. I've just finished work. It's Friday. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Today is a big surprise for us. You see it, but
do you know the fastest way to Woden?
And yeah, we're going to get this stuff. See you guys soon and enjoy this video. Give you a thumbs up if you like it. We're trying to upload more video for you guys. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Guys, so we just rocked up here. Aussie's kind of confused at the moment about what we're doing here.
I know, what are you doing?
Finally. Come on, let's get out. He's a bit suspicious. Just come up here. Babe, I need to tell you something. I have been working really super hard trying to keep this a secret from you. So that's why it's been taking so long, because I had to do so much calling and paperwork while I was at work to try and keep this a secret from Aussie. Babe, come up.
He needs some milk.
I'm pretty sure that's it.
What?
This red one.
Are you sure?
This is it. That's the number plate.
What?
That's it, honey.
No, I'm not sure.
Yes, it is. Jump in. Let's jump in. I'm gonna go inside and see him. Whoa.
What is it?
Guys, Aussie got a raptor. Jump in. Oh, it's too high. What do you think, hon?
I'm not sure, man.
I'm being serious. I've been trying to keep this a secret from you. I've been trying to keep this a secret from him for so long, guys. So long. Do you like it? I wasn't sure of the color, but that was the only color they had. I think that's a worker. So now I'm gonna come. Kakong. We have to sign some papers. I can't see you, babe. Here, you put it from your angle. Surprise, babe.
Really? Is it this one?
Yeah.
No.
He doesn't believe me.
She told me it's a Triton before. Is that a car?
Yeah, let's go inside and get the keys. Oh, he doesn't believe me. I like it. Look at the tires. Are you happy?
Is that a car? I'm not really sure.
Look how nice it is. Come stand in front of it so we can take a thumbnail. Wait. What do you think?
Are you really sure?
I'm sure. I promised.
You bought this for me?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, thank you, honey. I'm so surprised, guys. Is that the big car I drive, man?
Yeah, better not crash it.
No. Why are you crashing? Is that a car, man?
Yeah.
Are you sure with me?
They didn't even clean it.
I know it's a joke, eh? I know it's a prank. Don't even say
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm sorry, baby.
Let's go. I know it's a prank.
How do you feel about it? I just couldn't hold it in any longer, guys. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it.
I know it's a prank. I know.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't believe
He had
it.
his suspicions. Yeah, come on, over. Oh my god. Guys, that was too funny. Oh my god, that was so funny. That was too funny, guys. I'm sorry, babe, for doing that to you.
No, I know. I know.
knew he knew. He was like real suspicious because he kept saying, "Are you sure? Are you sure? Go this way."
No longer sees a future for
He kept
himself.
saying, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" I'm like, "Yes, I promise, I promise." And the more that I kept saying that, the more I kept saying it, he finally believed me. Oh my god, that was so funny. And then he looked at me me. He was like so happy. And I could not hold it anymore. I just burst into laughter. I just had to get some memory up on my SD, but that was so funny, guys. I apologize if I didn't drag it on long enough or I wasn't that convincing, but he actually believed me in the end, didn't you, hon? Because I was still like, yeah, it is, I promise. I'll go and get the keys. He was so excited, my poor darling. Oh, that was so funny. But guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and look out for the next one coming. We're going to show you our actual car. We have not revealed it yet. So in the next vlog, you will see what we actually got for Aussie.
If you like this video, subscribe, guys.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. You know?
Oh, Aussie, there's your Ford. There's your Ford, Aussie. Bye. I felt so bad for Aussie when he was like getting really excited. Oh, my poor baby. Bye, guys. Peace.